Next up is Allan's pride and joy piece.
29,000, nobody make it 29, and then nobody make it 29 now. At 29, I get 28,000, nobody make it 29, and then nobody make it 30. And now the $30,000, nobody make it 31. At 31, nobody make it 31, nobody make it 31, nobody make it 31, nobody make it 31.
Allan worked this machine for years, so he's especially interested to see who the buyer is and how much it goes for.
At 2, 3, now. At 32, nobody make it 33,000, nobody make it 33, nobody make it 33, hammers up, 33,000, 33, 33, 33,000. Sold the cat dozer for $32,000.
And just like that, in minutes, it's done.
127, 127.
Sold to a local farmer, Allan's cousin Jeff.
Way to go, Jeff. Thanks, Alan. As we said earlier, Jeff, the good part of this is we've kept it in the family.
It's nice knowing that where the equipment came from, the quality of equipment, and knowing how Allan respected and took care of his Caterpillars.
But this one is special because it was the last one that I would own.
It's a part of the family, and it's a well cared for part of the family.
Yeah, you know, it is a family affair. You know, we refer to these as events and celebrations, and it's so powerful when we can see Allan and Gail's family come out here and help them enjoy the day. They raised their family here, they're part of the community, and we really seen that in the community support on their event today, and it was really nice to see all their family here. It's important because it's an emotional day for Allan and Gail, and it is huge for us as well.
It's only been a few short hours since the action started, and already the last piece of equipment has been sold.
Walked away with the drill press today, so there we go. Yeah, came away with some.
For Ritchie Brothers, it's another successful day at the auction.
It was great. It really was great. And everything was just going smooth, and it was wonderful.
For the LaRose family, it's the end of an era and years of hard work.
Thank you so much for making this, with your input, a wonderfully rewarding day. Thanks to Ritchie's. Most sincerely.